My name is Ramya. I am studying 6th class in Vidya Jyoti English Medium School. Today my project is science components of food. My topic is what do various nutrients do for our body. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Fats also as energy. In fact, fat gives us more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Food containing fats are often called body building food. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Some of these are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. There is also group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of